Welcome back to Lytical Preps. Please, if this is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that you'll be part of this lovely community. Please, thank you. We're having 18 exponent x plus 9 exponent x from 9 exponent x is equal to 1. We are looking for x in this case, okay? So, with this, we can say that we multiply both sides by 9 exponent x, okay? 9 exponent x. So, this, we cancel this. So, we have an 18 exponent x minus 9 exponent x is equal to 9 exponent x, okay? So, we divide both sides by 9 exponent x. Okay, so dividing through by 9 exponent x, 9 exponent x, 9 exponent x. So in this case, we are having 18 on 9 all exponent x minus this one will give us 1, which is equal to, and this two will give us 1. Okay. 9 goes into this F1, it goes into 18 2 times. So with this, we are having 2 exponent x minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so we are having 2 exponent x is equal to 1 plus 1. So 2 exponent x is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now the bases are the same, so we say that we create the exponent. So you have an x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. Now let's check to see if indeed x is equal to 1 and it will be 1. So 18 exponent 1 is the same as 18 minus 9 exponent 1 is the same as 9 all over 9 exponent 9 is the same as 9. It should be equal to 1. Now we can see that 9 out into bracket 2. Well, 9 times 2 is 18 minus 1 all over 9, which should be equal to 1. So 9 will cancel 9, leaving 2 minus 1, which is should be equal to 1. Now 2 should be equal to 1 plus 1. Okay, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we say that 2 is equal to 2. So indeed, our x is equal to 1. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting questions.